Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can recalibrate your control sticks if you're having problems with them. For example, you might have stick drift and you might want to see if recalibration will work. So we need to go into System Settings and we need to go down to where it says Controllers and Sensors, and then we're going to go down to where it says Calibrate Control Sticks. Now you need to pick the stick that you've got a problem with. Let's pretend it's the right one here. You need to tilt it in any direction for a couple of seconds and it will bring you into this screen. Right now this stick is actually working fine. You might find that it's not centering properly on your one and that it's moving up or it's moving down. That's because you've got stick drift. Let's see if calibrating it will fix it. So you're going to press X to recalibrate the stick. Now it's saying only do this if there's something wrong. In this instance there's not. I'm doing this purely for the video. Now I'm going to press A to calibrate, and we've got to move the stick in the direction it's telling us to. So in this instance we're going to the right and we release. Then we're going to go down, release, left, release, up, release, and now it's telling us to go all the way around clockwise. So full circles all the way around. And there we go, it says calibration complete. And now you can check it again. You might find that it's working. Obviously you can do the same on the left stick. Yeah. Now, if you find that it doesn't work, you could try cleaning your analog sticks, or worst case scenario, you can actually buy them quite cheaply off eBay and just replace the actual stick themselves, but you will need basic tools to do that. Thank you so much for watching.